Hello, dear friends. There are two ways to edit a project that was shot with multiple cameras. This video is about the basic method mostly used for small projects with few cameras. In the project, create a new timeline with the desired settings. Then in Media Pool, select clips that are similar but were shot with different cameras. Right-click on one of them and select Create New Timeline using selected clips. Give it a name and click Create. Now you have created a regular timeline using clips. As you can see, the clips are placed one after the other in the timeline. Now we need to put them on top of each other and synchronize them. Just place the clips on different tracks, then select them all. Right-click and from Auto Align Clips, choose Based on Waveform. Of course, if your clips also have time code, you can choose another option. As you can see, the clips are synced together. Now we need to convert the regular timeline into a multi-cam timeline. In Media Pool, right-click on the timeline and select Convert Timeline to Multicam Clip. This option closes the timeline. Because the timeline has turned into a multi-camera clip, you can see the multi-camera icon in the corner of the clip. Double-click on it to display it in the source viewer. Now you can import it into the timeline like a regular clip. Here you can choose the desired camera in two ways. In the first method, in the source viewer section, specify which camera you want to use. As you can see, you can select the camera you want by clicking on it. Select the parts of the clip you want by using the I and O keys on the keyboard. Then click on the camera angle you want. Finally, import it into the timeline. Let's look at the second method, a method that you can use to edit the selected camera as well. First, import the entire clip into the timeline. By using the blade tool, cut it from the parts you want. Then right-click on each one and from Switch Multicam Clip Angle, select the angle you want. Finally, after you're done with your multicam clip, you need to flatten it. This will give us the original clips that we used to create the multicam clip. To do this, select all the multicam clips, right-click and choose Flatten Multicam Clip. Congratulations, now you can edit a multi-camera project. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.